In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Pocket FM account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up Pocket FM. Then from here, we want to click onto our user profile, located top right hand corner of the page. And then on this page, there's a gear icon, top right hand corner. Click on the gear icon, and then we come inside settings. From here, scroll down, and then we want to click onto support. And then under support, it will say delete my account. So go ahead and click on delete my account. And then it will come to this page here. Let us know if it's really you. To continue, you'll need to confirm your account with OTP verification, one-time password. We'll send you a one-time password to your registered mail, which is here. So I'm going to go ahead and click send one-time password. So now I need to head over to my email. All right, so I'm inside my emails, and here's the verification code. So if I scroll down, there's the code here. So I need to put this 6-digit number. So I'm going to click and copy this number, head back to enter verification code, paste that code in here, then click continue. I'm not going to do it because I want to keep my Pocket FM app active.